Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about chi-square goodness of fit test. The chi-square goodness of fit test is a statistical hypothesis test that is used to assess whether or not a variable is likely to come from a certain distribution. It's frequently used to see if a sample of a data is representative of the entire population. It is a single sample non-parametric test, also referred as the one sample goodness of fit test or Pearson chi-square goodness of fit test. Assumptions of the chi-square goodness of fit test. First one, data should come from simple random sample and categorical or nominal type of data should be used. Second one, independence of observation, which means that there is no relation between any of the cases. Third assumption, the groups of the categorical variable must be mutually exclusive. Fourth one, there must be at least 5 expected frequencies in each group of your categorical variable. Hypothesis for chi-square goodness of fit test. Null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the observed and expected value. Alternative hypothesis. There is a significant difference between the observed and expected value. Let us take an example. Following are the details of defects products in manufacturing units. Number of defects 0, 1, 2, 3, more than 3. Percentage of defects 10, 16, 55, 11 and 8. Frequency, that is observed frequency 66, 119, 340, 60, 15. Total defects 600. Calculation of expected frequency. So with the percentage we can calculate expected frequency. So 10%, so 10 divided by 100, 0.10 into 600, 60 defects. 16%, 0.16 into 600, 96. Likewise 330, 66, 48, total 600. This is expected frequency. With the help of observed frequency and expected frequency, we are going to calculate chi-square value in SPSS. This is our data in SPSS. Defected products 0, 1, 2, 3 and more than 3. Observed frequency 66, 119, 340, 60 and 15. Now we want to find out good test of fit tests using chi-square. First let us move to data and select weight cases and move observed frequency to weight cases by. So here, from here to move here. Now click OK. Now the frequency is used as an weight by cases. Now move to analyze, select non-parametric test, go to legacy dialogs and select chi-square. So here select production, move here test variable, then come to expected values. So here we have two options, all categories are equal and values. Now we are using these values. Already we calculated expected frequency, that is 60, add next one 96, add third one 330, add 66, add the last one is 48. This is our expected frequency. Now go to options, select descriptives and continue, then OK. This is our descriptive statistics. N600, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. This is frequency table. So 0 defect 66, 1 defect 119, 2, 3, 4, total 600. Then come to test statistics. So this is very important table. Chi-square value is 29.646, degrees of freedom 4, significance value 0.000. So here the significance value is less than 0.05, so we can reject our null hypothesis. So conclude that there is a difference between observed number of defects and expected number of defects in a manufacturing. So we conclude that there is a difference between observed frequency and expected frequency. Also here the -33 is a residual value. This contribute more to the significance of this test. Thank you for watching.